Welcome to a new video of Foodify history. In today's video, we have some yummy worldwide breakfast dishes for you. Every country has its own traditional breakfast dish. But do you know which ones belong to which country? We're going to find out in this video, so keep watching. History of breakfast. The tradition of eating a morning meal has existed since ancient times, though it was not until the 15th century that breakfast came into use in written English to describe a morning meal, literally, a breaking of the fasting period of the night just ended. In Old English, the term had been morgenmete, literally morning food. Throughout history, the importance and composition of breakfast have varied greatly across different cultures and time periods. In early hunter-gatherer societies, people would often eat a small meal in the morning, consisting of whatever food was available from the previous day's hunt or forage. As agriculture developed and people began to settle in permanent communities, the morning meals started to become more consistent and varied. In some ancient civilizations, like the Mesopotamians and the ancient Chinese, breakfast was a simple meal consisting of grains, such as barley or rice, and sometimes accompanied by fruits or vegetables. These early morning meals were often eaten after completing the first tasks of the day or before heading out to work in the fields. During the Middle Ages in Europe, breakfast was not a regular meal for most people. Instead, they usually ate just 2 meals a day, a large meal in the middle of the day and a lighter one in the evening. Breakfast was often reserved for children, the elderly, and laborers who needed the extra sustenance to get through their demanding workdays. The Industrial Revolution brought about significant changes to people's daily routines, including the way they ate. As more people moved to cities and began working in factories, the need for a morning meal to sustain them through the day became more apparent. This led to the development of more substantial breakfasts that included a variety of foods like eggs, meat, and bread. Today, breakfast is considered an important meal in many cultures around the world. The types of foods eaten for breakfast vary greatly, depending on local customs, traditions, and personal preferences. From simple bowls of cereal or porridge to elaborate spreads of eggs, meats, and pastries, the history of breakfast has evolved to become an integral part of our daily lives. Ancient Egyptian breakfast. In ancient Egypt, breakfast played a crucial role in providing sustenance before people embarked on their daily activities. Peasants typically ate a daily meal in the morning, consisting of a variety of simple yet nourishing foods. The main component of the ancient Egyptian breakfast was ful, a dish made from fava beans, which were cooked and mashed, possibly the ancestor of today's full medams. This dish provided essential nutrients and energy for the day ahead. Baladi bread, made from emmer wheat, was another staple at the breakfast table. Egyptians would often dip their bread in ful or use it to scoop up other foods. Falafel, a well-known Middle Eastern dish today, also has its roots in ancient Egypt. Made from a mixture of fava beans, onions, garlic, parsley, and coriander, these small, deep-fried patties provided a flavorful and filling addition to the breakfast table. Ancient Egyptians also consumed fruits, such as dates and figs, which offered natural sweetness and additional nutrients. They would often wash down their morning meal with a beverage like beer, which was considered a dietary staple and had a lower alcohol content than today's beer. Greek breakfast. In ancient Greece, the first meal of the day was known as akritisma, typically consumed immediately after rising in the morning. Akritisma was a simple yet satisfying meal that provided nourishment and energy for the day ahead. The primary component of akritisma was barley bread, which was dipped in wine to soften it and enhance its flavor. Barley was a staple grain in ancient Greece, and this bread provided essential nutrients to start the day. Fruits like figs and olives were often served alongside the barley bread. Figs were a popular fruit in ancient Greece, valued for their sweetness and nutritional benefits. Olives were also a significant part of the Greek diet, providing healthy fats and a delicious flavor to complement the bread. In addition to these staples, ancient Greeks enjoyed pancakes called teganites. Made from a simple batter of wheat flour, olive oil, and honey, teganites were cooked on a hot griddle and served as a tasty treat during breakfast. They could be eaten plain or drizzled with honey or other sweet toppings. To round out their morning meal, ancient Greeks drank wine mixed with water, which provided hydration and a small energy boost. Wine was a crucial part of the Greek diet and was consumed in moderation at all meals, including breakfast. Roman breakfast. In ancient Rome, breakfast, or ientaculum, was a light and simple meal designed to provide sustenance before the day's activities. It was usually eaten shortly after waking up and consisted of everyday staples that were easy to prepare. Bread made from wheat or barley was the main component of the Roman breakfast. It was often served with cheese, providing a filling and nutritious start to the day. Romans also enjoyed olives, which were a common ingredient in their cuisine and added a delicious, savory flavor to their morning meal. Salad, made from fresh vegetables like lettuce and cucumbers, was another popular breakfast choice. It was typically dressed with olive oil, vinegar, and various herbs, offering a refreshing and nutritious start to the day. Nuts and dried fruits, such as raisins, were often included in the Roman breakfast, providing additional energy and nutrients. Cold meat left over from the night before could also be eaten, adding some variety and protein to the meal. Romans were known for their love of wine, and breakfast was no exception. They drank wine-based beverages like mulsum, a mixture of wine, honey, and aromatic spices, which provided a sweet and invigorating start to the day. Medieval breakfast. During the European Middle Ages, breakfast was not typically considered a necessary or important meal. In fact, it was practically non-existent during the earlier medieval period. Monarchs and their entourages would spend a lot of time around a table for meals, but only 2 formal meals were eaten per day, one at midday and one in the evening. For those who did eat breakfast during the Middle Ages, the meal was often simple and consisted of leftovers from the previous night's meal or easily accessible foods such as bread, cheese, and ale. This was especially true for laborers and peasants who needed the extra sustenance to get through their demanding workdays. As the medieval period progressed, breakfast began to gain more importance, particularly among the higher classes. Nobles would often hold elaborate breakfast feasts, serving a variety of foods like eggs, smoked fish, pastries, and fruits. Now, let's explore some traditional breakfast trends that are still being used on a daily basis and are very popular around the world. Mexican breakfast. In Mexico, a traditional breakfast dish is chilaquiles, which consists of fried tortilla chips, salsa, eggs, and cheese, often garnished with avocado and cilantro. Another popular option is huevos rancheros, a dish made of fried eggs served on corn tortillas and topped with a tomato chili sauce. Japanese breakfast. In Japan, a traditional breakfast consists of steamed rice, miso soup, grilled fish, and various side dishes such as pickled vegetables, seaweed, and tamagoyaki, a rolled omelet. This balanced meal provides a variety of flavors and nutrients to start the day. Indian breakfast. In India, a popular traditional breakfast dish is masala dosa, a thin, crispy rice and lentil pancake filled with spiced potatoes, often served with coconut chutney and sambar, a lentil soup. Other favorites include idli, steamed rice and lentil cakes, and paratha, a flaky, pan-fried flatbread. English breakfast. In England, the traditional full English breakfast includes eggs, bacon, sausages, grilled tomatoes, mushrooms, baked beans, black pudding, and toast or fried bread. This hearty meal is a beloved classic that provides plenty of energy for the day ahead. Turkish breakfast. In Turkey, a traditional breakfast spread consists of various types of bread, cheese, olives, jams, and spreads. It also includes fresh vegetables like tomatoes and cucumbers, honey, and clotted cream called kaymak, along with eggs and Turkish tea. French breakfast. In France, the traditional breakfast is light and typically consists of a fresh baguette or croissant served with butter and jam. A café au lait or a cup of hot chocolate is the usual beverage of choice to accompany this simple yet satisfying meal. Russian breakfast. In Russia, a traditional breakfast includes dishes like serniki, which are small pancakes made from cottage cheese and served with sour cream, jam, or honey. Another popular option is kasha, a type of porridge made from grains like buckwheat, millet, or oats, often sweetened with sugar or served with butter and milk. Italian breakfast. In Italy, breakfast, or colazione, is a light and sweet affair. A typical Italian breakfast consists of a cappuccino or espresso paired with a cornetto, a croissant-like pastry often filled with jam, chocolate, or cream. Spanish breakfast. In Spain, a traditional breakfast dish is churros, deep-fried dough pastries that are crispy on the outside and soft on the inside, typically served with a cup of thick hot chocolate for dipping. Another popular option is pan con tomate, toasted bread rubbed with ripe tomatoes, drizzled with olive oil, and sprinkled with salt. Chinese breakfast. In China, a traditional breakfast varies by region but often includes dishes like congee, a rice porridge that can be served plain or with various toppings such as pickled vegetables, peanuts, or meat. Steamed buns, or baozi, filled with savory ingredients like pork or vegetables, and youtiao, deep-fried dough sticks, are also common morning foods. Brazilian breakfast. In Brazil, a traditional breakfast includes pão de queijo, small cheese bread rolls made from tapioca flour, and a slice of cake, such as cornmeal or carrot cake. Fresh fruits, like papaya and mango, are also popular choices, along with a cup of strong coffee to start the day. Australian breakfast. In Australia, a traditional breakfast might feature Vegemite, a savory yeast spread, on toast or a variety of fresh fruits like bananas, berries, and avocado. Another popular option is the classic Aussie breakfast, which includes eggs, bacon, sausages, grilled tomatoes, mushrooms, and toast. Swedish breakfast. In Sweden, a traditional breakfast spread, known as a smorgasbord, includes a variety of open-faced sandwiches with toppings like cheese, cold cuts, and liver pate. Crisp bread, or knäckebröd, is also a popular choice, often topped with butter, cheese, and cucumber. To accompany their meal, Swedes enjoy a strong cup of coffee or tea. Israeli breakfast. In Israel, a traditional breakfast consists of a spread called Israeli salad, made from chopped tomatoes, cucumbers, onions, and bell peppers. This is typically served alongside a variety of other dishes, including eggs, cheese, olives, and bread. Shakshuka, a dish of poached eggs and a spicy tomato sauce, is also a popular choice. Thanks for watching, and let us know in the comments which breakfast dish you would like to try. Don't forget to subscribe to Foodify History for more impressive food stories.